Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to delete TradingView Watchlist. If you're someone who juggles different stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies, you know how crucial a well-organized watchlist is. Whether you're tidying up your TradingView workspace or getting rid of lists you no longer need, knowing how to delete a watchlist is essential. Let's make this process smooth and straightforward. First, open up TradingView. Once you're on the platform, look to the right-hand side of your screen. There you'll find the Watchlist panel, which is your go-to place for tracking financial instruments that catch your eye. When you're ready, click on the watchlist name at the top of this panel. It might be labeled as My Watchlist or a custom name you've created. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu showcasing all the watchlists you currently have. Once the drop-down is visible, locate the specific watchlist that you want to delete. Hover your mouse over this watchlist and you'll see a trash bin icon appear next to it. This icon is your cue that the list can be deleted. Go ahead and click on that trash bin icon. Alternatively, you can right-click the watchlist name and select Delete from the options that appear. This step is crucial as it prevents you from accidentally deleting a watchlist you may still want. After selecting the Delete option, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your decision. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. A few key notes about TradingView watchlists. Keep in mind that having multiple watchlists is a feature exclusive to TradingView's paid plans like Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium. If you're on a free plan, you're limited to just one watchlist, which means you won't have the option to delete it. Also, you cannot delete your default watchlist unless you set a new one as the default. This ensures there's always a primary list TradingView can refer to. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the lists we use to stay on top of your investments or trading ventures. With a clean and relevant set of watchlists, you can keep your trading workspace organized and effective. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to delete TradingView watchlist. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.